I will show you how to get the best one-pan chicken dinner of your life. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to flavor. All right, home cooks, grab your aprons because we're diving into a one-pan garlic herb chicken and veggies recipe that'll knock your socks off. First, let's marinate our chicken. In a bowl, mix 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried Italian herbs, a splash of lemon juice, salt and pepper. Rub this goodness all over 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Flavor explosion incoming. While that's marinating, let's prep our veggies. Toss 1 cup each of baby carrots, halved baby potatoes, and broccoli florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Easy peasy. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add our marinated chicken and cook for 5 to 6 minutes per side until golden and perfect. Scoot the chicken over and add the veggies. Cover with a lid and let everything cook for 10 to 12 minutes until those veggies are tender. Smells amazing. Finally, garnish with fresh parsley, serve hot, and enjoy. This one-pan wonder is perfect for any night of the week. Happy cooking.